Hello, hi, this is Peng Fei. Today is Optimize series. I'm going to talk about how to create optimized page from scratch. Yesterday we talked about Chrome. The day before yesterday we just overview about Optimize Place and the Insta Builders. Today we're gonna actually create a new one together in 15 minutes. And before we go through this tutorial, and today is the Wednesday, the day 53 of 90 days to get out of rat race. Okay, so I say that very clear because I want to remind myself. So first, what you would do is go to your back office, and if you OptimizePress install, you should have this. Like I have Install Builder, install have this OptimizePress. They are very similar. Actually creating the opt-in page, or we call Swiss page. Very good. Insta Builder with start with dashboard and OptimizePress, and they are starting with dashboard as well. So look, it's different. And you can choose creating any type of page, opt-in page, or we call landing page, or squeeze page, and the sales page, membership page, etc. Webinar page. We're gonna do the opt-in page, and this is all samples that you can use. And actually, if you just go down a couple pages, you can see the sales page sample, and you can see the webinar sample. You can see the membership site sample, and you can see other icons and the image that you can use. And you can also have other customized page. That's a very good template, and or the blank page, which is you can starting from scratch. And for this tutorial, I like to create a good landing page with something beautiful background image. So I'm gonna choose this sample. I already have a design in mind, and I like to have design just similar to like this one, opt-in page, and with a nice background and simple word. And this is something I'm looking for. So let's do it together. So I'm gonna use this template to save time. Already type it ready, found the proven way, and just create the page. And now it's available, it's creating, and now you're gonna see it's loading, and you're gonna show you the modification screen. Inside the edit screen, pretty much you can do many things. First, I just want to change the text, and of course, just make sure you don't forget like the year here. Let's say 2014, and just make sure you have that change to this year before you do anything else. That's what I like to do. So I just get that year change. You can see change to 16, and then I just click the text I want to change, and then I click the edit here, and you should see a different screen. On this screen, then you can actually write your word. And I just type by word, found the proven way to secure rocky solid income from home guarantee, and I put the H1 title. I try to make the font bigger, and I guess that's it. I will just insert this one. Okay, all right, and looks like color is not right, so I'm going to edit. I want to make it all white, so I want to make sure it's all white over here, and just take a test color and put the completely white over there. And I'm going to click the insert again, and you can see the result. Okay, that's one I like. And now I want to change the text in the bottom, so I'm going to change that, because download the guide here is not very very generic. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to do is close that in OptimizePress. You can continue edit, but I like to close that, and then you go to page. And because in this tutorial I'll show you, and you will see the drive over here, you just create. So you close that, hit exit, and save. You go to a drive. You can continue edit. You don't have always go to under the OptimizePress. You can go to a page and choose a live editor and launch now, and then you can continue to modify the same page that you was doing. Every time you do some update, make sure you click save and continue, and you see the OK save, and it says in case you accidentally exit out, and that'll be no good. And And I'm gonna again modify this text over here. First, I will do first is enter my information, redirect URL, the email, and here the header I say find out fill out form below to get exclusive access and name and email. And of course, if you do not like the name, you can just remove the name, just keep the email. You can go back to modify here and look at the name required, just uncheck that name required, and that's it. And if you want to add extra field like phone number, zip code, address, you can do that. And if you want to have a, say for example, Aweber capture information, make sure you're using the custom form and paste. And here's my Aweber account. It's just going to the using the coaching one and sound form. And in the form you should have something create already. Like I have this one create already. So I'm just going to do an edit because I just want to copy the HTML. And I'm just going to continue and to the end. Okay, I'm gonna disable the pretty one because I just need to copy the phone, the list ID, everything, and I'm gonna paste over here. That's it. Okay, so that's how your phone be able to save to the Aweber. Okay, yeah, it looks okay. And I have a name disable, email. Yeah, that's gonna be fine. Gonna use an email field. Post default, that's fine. For URL, that's default, that's fine. Okay, exclusive access. Okay, that's what I want. Okay, so that's all correct. And after I just need to click insert. All right, so just one email. Okay, let's go back to it. Now we finally want to go change the submit button. Okay, you can create custom button or get something upload, or you can just modify existing button. Like I click the text, I can type anything I want. For example, I will get instant. I like to get instant access. Okay. Alright, basically take by default, everything is fine. Just click the insert and update. Get instant access. Save, continue, make sure it's safe. Okay, I'm going to make this the same. Get instant access. And I'm gonna modify this bottom as well. You can go up, you can see there's a modification for the entire phone, and so you could go to the pop-up page after this one. Go inside, narrow a little bit, then you should be fine inside this bottom. Okay, sorry, actually, when you want to change the bottom, you have to go to this. Okay, yeah, not the second one. I have to go to the first one for that square thing. Okay, and here you can change the bottom. Get access now. Okay, so you should change to get access now. Okay, save that. Okay, save. And you can first choose some images. Go to Google, type nature image, and select image that is high resolution, like this is like 3000, that kind of resolution, and just click that, and then right click the mouse button and choose save image as, and you can just say this is a waterfall. All right, and save and go back to OptimizePress. Select the file and just select the file. You just waterfall and open. That's it. And you can see the image preview over there, and you can change some attribute if you want. Otherwise, just insert them into the post. Okay, full size. And then you just need to click the update. And this image, if you don't like the image so slow in this row, you can always do is choose image which they allow you to choose title horizontal, title the background image horizontal and vertically. You can choose a bigger one if you like, so you can see that. But this is actually, it probably is not a good effect. And if you want to change the entire background, then you have to go to left hand side, go color scheme setting, and then just choose overall page color option, and you will see this background. If you don't like this, you can remove this image and select the new file, which is just download. In that case, they will change the entire background instead of just one row, like you saw before. So this one, I just changed the background and insert to the post. Okay, and you keep the update, and you should see the entire background being changed. And I just changed a different image. I like this the hot balloon image, and so let's take a look at how this work, how this look, and you can actually just view property link, or just make sure you click save, click OK, and view property link. And now you can see, oh gosh, it's beautiful, wonderful. And there's actually a title over there, and you can actually remove that. You don't need that one on the top. And go back to disable this OptimizePress logo and click OK, and just save and continue and click the OK, and just view public link, and you should be able to see that without the OptimizePress logo. Okay, so this will be result, and you click that, and it should ask you to enter your email, into best email, everything. And if you do not enter, just click, then it should ask you fill out this field. Alright, so that should be all working fine. So I'm going to do is okay, you can just do that. And so I found the best image is 1920. That is actually best. Or you can find this is 2500. That would be 2560 would be number is pretty good. Thanks so much.